This year at St. Andrews, we're going to change our tech support process just a little bit to make it easier for people to send problems to us. This includes students, faculty members, staff members. Parents will have a slightly different process. So this is really just for students, faculty members, staff members, administrators, etc. And this should be easier. It works on your phone. It will work on any computer. And it gives us data in a structured manner so that it's faster for us to respond. Now, before I demonstrate how this works, I want to explain why we're using this method and not email. We get a lot of help requests that do not have enough information for us to act. And it's only if the person receiving the information actually knows all the other details that they're able to act. So for example, we get a lot of messages that just say help and there's no information. Or we get a person asking for something, but we don't know where they're located. Our technology team actually rotates between both campuses. So you could directly email someone and they're not even on your campus, or maybe they're on holiday. You can call their office, but they've been scheduled to work at a support desk, for example, at the lower school, which doesn't have a phone. There are a lot of reasons that we want to find a single way to get all the information to the technology team. Sometimes we get information and requests that are outside of technology. And in those cases, if they come in on the phone or personal email, they can often get lost. But with this new system, if we accidentally get something that's for another department, we actually can flag that up just through their school email, and then they can start working on it. All right, the first thing that I want to cover, and this is very important for everybody, students, faculty, staff, to do, is you should be working in Google Chrome and you should have a Chrome profile. If you have a Chrome profile, when you click this, you should see your email address. If you don't, what we need to do is we need to add one. So I'm going to just show you how to do that quickly here. Add. You want to put in your Go Saints email and your password. Okay, so now this is the one I signed in on, so you should see your Go Sites. If you already have that, that's fine, but you definitely want to have a Chrome profile running in Chrome. All right, now let's go to GoSaints.tech. You'll notice GoSaints.tech is full of a lot of features. We're just going to focus on this one, tech support. So I'm going to open the tech support system up, and here it is. So this, again, will work on your phone, your iPad, whatever. It automatically collects your information, so we know, who you are as long as you have your GoSaints account. So you can choose as many of these options as you want, and you can briefly explain your problem. And here we are generally asking where you're located. If you're none of these, you can put whatever you want. And this is optional, but if we can get it down to a room number, that would be great. Then you hit submit. Now, after you hit submit, you will also receive a confirmation email that tells you how far back you are in the queue. And it says you're number 1 in the queue, so that's great. And this lets you know how busy the tickets are. What we want to do, though, is we want to make it as easy as possible for you to always get to this form. So let's go back here. And on tech support, right-click and hit copy link address. So I'll do that again. Right-click, copy link address. And then let's open a new tab. And then here on your Chrome, hit add shortcut. Now you can just open it whenever you need it. Okay, next, let's take the link again. And submit it. In here, let's go to the star and hit bookmark, add bookmark. And you want to choose bookmark bar, so the bookmarks bar, and hit done. And this bookmark bar is very busy. It would appear probably for yours to the left, but you'll see it's here. Now we'll be sending another video to explain how to place this shortcut on your phone's desktop so that you have basically like a little pseudo app that lets you access it. Okay, and finally, let's do this. So grab your window so that you can see your desktop, and this works on Windows 10 and it works on Apple. Click in here and drag this and drop it on your desktop, and now you have a shortcut right there. So that will open it up too. So now you have 3 ways to easily get to the support link. You have it here, in your bookmarks bar, and right on your desktop. It's very important for everybody to take these steps before your first full day on campus. And then we want to use this to submit all help desk requests. If you are in the business office, we do have an additional path for you to follow, and we'll be briefing you in person on that because business office requests are a little bit different. But if you're a faculty member or a student, this is definitely how you need to send requests. Please avoid trying to send text messages and direct emails. This is definitely the best way. This goes to every single person. It gets logged, it gets tracked, and we can use this data to identify trends, like entire groups of people having the same problem, entire grade levels having the same problem, etc. And it makes it a lot easier for us to develop a way to prevent the problems in the future.